Good morning to all. Myself Vivek Pratap Singh. Welcome in my channel Education Hub. We will study about types of chemical reaction. 10th class. First chapter NCERT. Next topic. According to NCERT, types of chemical reaction are categorized into following types. Number 1, combination reaction. Number 2, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction are also categorized into 3 parts. Number 1, thermal decomposition reaction. Number 2, electrolysis reaction. Number 3, photolysis reaction. Okay. Next types of chemical reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reactions also categorized into 2 categories. Number 1, single displacement reaction. Second, double displacement reaction. Okay. Fourth number types of reaction is oxidation and reduction reaction. Fifth types of reaction is exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Okay, these are following types of categories of chemical reactions according to 10th class. In last week we can study 2 topics also. Number 1, corrosion, and number 2, rancidity. Mainly following important parts in types of chemical reactions. Now we will study about combination reaction. First of all, we want to talk about combination reaction. In these types of reaction, when 2 or more different reactants are combined together and form new product. then we called it is a combination reaction. Example for that, we take calcium oxide. In simple term, we can say it is a quicklime. When it is react with water, then we obtained calcium hydroxide and lot of heat energy is produced. It is a calcium oxide and it is a calcium hydroxides. We can say it is a quicklime and we can say it is a slacked lime. Okay. After formation of the calcium hydroxide, we take calcium hydroxides, react with CO2, then we obtain calcium carbonate and water is formed. It is a calcium carbonate then we can say it the prominent examples of combination reaction. Next example, we can explain number 1, second number. When we take carbon when burn in the presence of oxygen, then we obtained CO2. It is also the example of combination reaction because we take two different types of reactants and when it is chemically burns, or we can say it is a burning in the presence of oxygen, it is a combustion reactions, then we obtained carbon dioxide. Next example we take, when we take hydrogen gas, it is reacted with in the presence of oxygen, we can obtain H2O. H2O is a pure compounds, so we can say, keep it in mind, very important things that when we react to different types of reactant and reactant site and obtained in product sites, we always keep it in mind, our reactions should be follow up law of conservation, law of mass conservation law. What is the mass conservation law? Mass conservation law says that mass of reactant should be equal to mass of product according to mass conservation law. In chemical reactions, mass cannot be created and cannot be destroyed. In other language we can understand in mass conservation always mass conservation law, the mass of reactant should be remain same.